Does adding element to a set return true if it is successful in Python? To my understanding, adding elements to a set does not return anything. E.g. But I am confused how this function to remove duplicates of a list while preserving order works. Not seen underscore add x return true always irrespective of if I add duplicates or not. The only real check is if x not in scene, since if that fails, it will not perform not see underscore add x. Is my understanding here, or am I missing something? However, here, not seen underscore add 1 return true if I add duplicate or a unique element. This is puzzling, so is the not here just do an empty check? But seen underscore add is not returning a set to do an empty check. And why seen underscore add 2 does not return anything but not seen underscore add 1 returns the boolean true.
As you have discovered, seen underscore add x always returns none. Now, not none is true. This is explained in the documentation. 5.1 Truth value testing. Any object can be tested for truth value, for use in an if or while condition or as operand of the Boolean operations below. The following values are considered false, none false. Since not seen underscore add x is always true, it has no effect on the result of the if. It is only used for the side effect of adding x to seen. Put another way, the following is a shorter, and likely more performant, way to write.
As said by the others, not seen underscore add x always evaluates to true, so it is used only as a hack to add the addition statement into the list comprehension. Since the logic value of x and true is equal to x, this does not change the behavior of the if. Another thing that this does, due to the short-circuit behavior of AND, is that the right-hand argument to and is only executed if the left-hand argument is true. So the call to seen.add is only done when the element is not yet in the set. The equivalent Python code would be the solution with the list comprehension might be faster, but it is too cryptic to my taste.
This is because not none is true.
Maybe this can help you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.